Well, hey guys, today I'm in front of my Uncle Dunkle glass jar squirrel feeder, and I've got me a bag of these black oil sunflower seeds, and I've got my game camera. We're going to put some sunflower seeds here in the jar. We're going to set the game camera up. We're going to come back and check out the footage. Now, if you'll wait till the end, I'm going to have an end screen if you want to see the unboxing of this feeder, and I will also have a link, the unboxing of my new favorite game camera. So hey, let's come back in a little bit and check the footage. Well, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of the Uncle Dunkle glass jar feeder with the black oil sunflower seeds. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos here at the end screen at the end. So till next time, catch you later.